In this video, I'll show you how to use a VPN on Xbox without a PC, and if you want the easiest and most reliable option, I recommend NordVPN, which you can get using the link in the description to follow along. Before we start, it's important to understand that Xbox consoles don't support VPN apps directly, so you can't download NordVPN from the Microsoft Store. That means the only real way to use a VPN on Xbox without a PC is by connecting your console to a VPN-protected Wi-Fi network, and the best way to do that is by setting up NordVPN on your router. Once NordVPN is active on your router, every device connected to that Wi-Fi, including your Xbox, will automatically use the VPN with no extra setup on the console itself. This is perfect for gaming, streaming, and staying protected online. To begin, make sure your router supports VPN client connections. NordVPN works with many popular routers like Asus, TP-Link, Netgear, and routers running firmware like DDWRT or OpenWRT. If you're not sure, you can check your router model on the NordVPN website using the link in the description. If your current router doesn't support VPNs, another option is to use a pre-configured router that already comes set up for NordVPN. Now, open a browser on your phone, tablet, or any device and go directly to NordVPN using the link in the description. Log into your Nord account and head to the manual setup section to access your VPN service credentials and configuration files. These are different from your regular login details and are required for router setups. Next, open your router's settings page by entering its IP address, usually something like 192.168.1.1, and log in. Go to the advanced settings and look for VPN client or VPN settings. Enable the VPN client option, then create a new VPN profile. Choose OpenVPN as the connection type, enter your Nord VPN service username and password, and upload the OpenVPN configuration file you downloaded from NordVPN. You can choose a server location that works best for gaming or streaming. Save the settings and turn the VPN connection on. Once it's active, connect your Xbox to that Wi-Fi network. That's it. Your Xbox is now using NordVPN without installing anything and without using a PC. From this point on, all traffic from your Xbox is encrypted and protected. You'll get better privacy, protection against DOS attacks in online games, and access to region-restricted content on apps like Netflix, Hulu, or other streaming services. And that's how to use a VPN on Xbox without a PC. If you want fast speeds, strong security, and a VPN that works perfectly with routers, check out NordVPN using the link in the description. It's the best way to keep your Xbox gaming and streaming safe and unrestricted.